special. That's okay? All right.
하나, 둘, 셋.
To be here. Some of the Filipino words that you learned. Tayan, you can start. Magandang tanghali. Okay.
Ako si Tayan. Sigaw!
Wow, grabe.
Oh, grabe.
We should make that trend today, okay?
I'm gonna cry.
Wow, grabe. Okay, grabe talaga. How about the other ladies? Any Filipino words? We say that is
It's so
for you.
unreal.
Mahal ka namin. Mahal namin kayo. Sobra. How about the others? Any other Filipino words? Gio has something to say.
Save job, save job.
Maganda si Tia.
That's facts. All true. Maganda si Gio.
Yes, that is so true, Gio. That is so true.
Before we move on, one last Filipino word.
Chayong! Chayong!
Can I ask our Philo ones to please simmer down a bit and please hit record button because I don't be doing it again, okay?
Yes, please.
2.
1.
Ay, nakitara ka.
Kim, sana!
Some words coming from boys. Aren't they so cute? Thank you for learning some of the words
grabe,
in the Philippines. And besides,
Kaya lamunan ko.
those Tagalog words or Filipino words.
Chayong! 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 Chayong!
We got a unique
Masarap ang oishi.
You know what? I saw our boss. Our boss from Oishi and he was like, Masarap. Thank you so much. We got a lot of time for our family and we shall move on, alright, from the Philippines.
Oh my God, I can't
Why don't we ask our
I can't
ladies?
choose. They're all
You've been here in the Philippines again. This is your third time. Are there any Filipino food or cuisine that you would love to try while you're visiting the Philippines? Okay.
Sinig.
Gusto mo mag-try ng halo-halo?
There's a lot of alohados in our place. Real.
Halo-halo, okay. Someone prepare halo-halo. That's why we have oh wow, corny, sweet, and cheesy. But aside from that, we've heard you girls say the commercial. Set up. Can you say set up? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Sarap.
Ay, nako talaga. Ay, nako. Well, sarap is... Because we're about to start our first twice annual wishing snacktacular FANMEET activity. Okay? And this is going to be called Make Your Own Snack. Okay, we're going to be preparing something, so wait, something. Okay. We all are excited to hear more from these lovely ladies, so wishing's giving us a chance to get to know a little bit more in the next few minutes and to make things interesting. This is what's going to be happening. Okay. Well, everyone is having their interaction right there. Each member will be tasked with creating their ideal wishes deck. There will be no subunits or groups for now. The members will be given 3 minutes to choose from the available snack cases and flavorings at the designated snack station. And after they create their snack, they will be given a chance to taste it. They need to give their snack a name. You guys need to... Lawrence, are you ready? Swise, are you ready? Yes! Let's start our make our own snack. Let's have our 3 minutes on the clock. Timer. All right, ladies, you can be ready. You can stand up and prepare your snacks over there. Your buckets are there. You have to sign it later on. Okay? We shall be beginning our first activity. So, man, in 3, 2, 1, go! 3 minutes for your make your own snack with our queens right now. That is Choice. Okay, while we're having this activity, I'll head over to this side first and ask some of our ladies some questions, okay? Okay. All good. What's your favorite experience so far?
I have a very strong impression. I was very happy when I first came to the Philippines back in 2019 and first met Filipino ones.
Well, I hope you can feel the appreciation, the love from the FILO ones right here.
Yes, Julie, we love you so much!
많이 와주셔가지고 콘서트 해야 되나 싶을 정도로 많이 와주셨어요.
Actually, it makes me think I'm having at a concert because a lot of people have come and the cheer is so loud.
I'll give you more time to finish your
Oh my
snack.
God, ang ganda.
아무래도 저는 진짜
Of course, those concerts when I came here to meet the Filipino ones, and of course today, after seeing all the Filipino ones here in the arena, it makes me feel like I want to come back for a concert too.
Please, Trevor! Next year!
So in love for you.
So pretty!
All right.
We know it!
She's preparing more firecrackers. Is almost done with her snack. Sign is there. Almost signs up. 3 minutes And
maganda.
I remind our queens
Sana.
if you can sign.
Anong ginagawa ni
buckets,
Sana?
because we will be giving that to our lucky fans later on. And since Ryan is right beside me, I would love to ask. Oh, she said bogo bogo shipo.
Magumago siya po.
Okay.
She wanna eat that. She wanna eat that.
Everyone knows that you have a new album coming out. Congratulations, by the way.
Nah, the second album.
Thank you. Tell us more about that.
Yes, Queen.
네, 제가 이미지 앨범으로 컴백을 하는데
Sample.
So it's gonna be in June 14 when when my song's gonna be coming
Kahit
out.
kahit yung snippet lang. Sample. Sample.
Guys, are you guys waiting for this?
Yes! Oh, yes, Kirby! Ah, wala na akong boss na.
많이 해주세요.
I'm giving a lot of effort to this, so please look forward to.
Yes! Of course!
We can come back to the Philippines so that we can see you when you launch an album.
네, 다시 오면은 이제 신곡을 보여드리겠습니다.
Of course, when I come back to the Philippines after the release, of course I will let you see the performance as well.
We're hoping and praying for that to happen. But I think the ladies are done with their snacks. They're just signing them. Let's give our ladies a big round of applause.
Yes!
Okay. And I think they're done. We can ask them. Again, we have to ask them the name of their snack and why they named it that way. Alright? And again, these buckets, signed buckets, will be raffled off to the winners a while ago. Let's start right now with Chewy.
Chewy! Chewy, chewy!
Chewy, you ready? Oh, okay, sorry.
I'm not gonna have a voice tomorrow, but I don't care.
먹으면 해피해지는 과자라고.
Ang ganda!
The name is Happy because when you hit this cracker, it will make you happy.
Yes!
And we're so happy that you made that snack. Thank you so much.
Gosh, she's so
Let's
pretty.
go with Chaeyoung.
Bro!
해피는 했었는데.
Actually, kasi mine was also happy.
그래서
Huwag ka mga petsayong.
트와이스
Gumawa ka na sa'yo.
That's why I changed the name to Twice Happy na lang.
From happy to twice happy. And we will accept that, right? Of course, twice happy. Got happy, twice happy. Chaeyoung. Let's ask Tayan.
Dayan! Chocolate yun lagi. Ah! Maja! One June chocolate. All chocolate. All kilos.
Since I really love chocolate, I feel it's chocolate.
The chocolate queen.
Chocolate crackers, chocolate everything. So the
Chocolate
name is
everything. Choco dog! Choco dog! Choco dog!
Polishi, we love you. It's Choco. Okay. So
I love you so
once
much,
again,
Ryan.
Choco bucket. Everyone. Oh, look at that. Ryan, okay, not yet. We'll be relax, relax. Okay,
For the excited si Dayan.
I put a penguin special.
제가 좋아하는 케첩 맛은 시즈닝을 했습니다.
And for the seasoning, of course, my favorite is ketchup, so I put ketchup seasonings here.
Ketchup.
Alright, thank you. Okay, let's ask, according to Twice a while ago during our press conference, so we got the most competitive member. Your snack.
제 이름은 요스넥이에요.
Cracker's name is Zeus Snake.
As you. Okay. Okay.
My name is Joe.
Joe. Yeah, we know.
Joe.
Ada. Yeah, Joe Snap. Nice.
Okay, we should remember that. Okay. Oh, once again, the show's back. All right. Okay, let's ask the girl who is waving right now.
I love the chocolate more. Wow, so beautiful, Sana.
어떤 멤버랑 메뉴가 겹쳐버렸어요.
Actually, nung una pala, na-overlap yung recipes ko with other members.
네,
overlap.
다영 씨네요.
That's, ano?
이게 네, 초코에 초코카를 저도
Ah.
네, 대신에 제 거의 이름은 오이시 할 수밖에 없는 제가 하나니까 소이시.
Oh, sushi. Oh, nice.
First yung collaboration
So
with
bright.
Oishi and Sana, kaya Oishi.
Sushi. Oh, so pretty.
오이샤였어도 좋았을 텐데. 오이샤.
Ikaw yung better Oisha.
Oisha.
오이샤.
Pwede. Woo.
How cute.
Habe.
Well, accepted. Thank you so much. And now let's ask Momo.
Mo.
베리 아하.
Oh.
진짜 매운맛으로.
Mo spicy.
Ito ay sobrang anghang.
She loves spicy.
So the name of the snack is
Mo spicy?
베리 아하.
Ah, very Pinoy. Nice. Nice one, Momo. Si Kuya.
Okay.
Si Kuya. Na-add yung lifespan niya ng 10 years. Dayan! Chili! And Sana! May combination side that too.
Actually, kasi I did not know to put the name of the snack. That's why I put my own name.
Oh, Jonghyun, it's okay. Simple is
The
better.
snack name is Yu Jonghyun.
Yu Jonghyun. Oh, yeah. Pwede. Yu Jonghyun snack. All right.
But we're going to give you the moment right now to think about, if you were to think about the name of the snack, what would it be?
Okay na yun, huwag mo na siyang i-stress, Robbie. Huwag mo na siyang i-stress. Nice one. Very firm, your queen. Yeah, very firm. I like it.
Thank you so much. Naming it now.
Ikaw na, Jonghyun. Oh, so cute. Jonghyun, oh.
Okay, and last but not least,
Ang cute niya.
Medyo mahaba yung pangalan ng snack ko. Okay lang?
Okay lang, ayun. Kahit bukas pa. Kahit ilang miles.
이름이 이거 출시하면 오이시 1위 5와 영어치기.
Okay. Alright, Nayan. Okay. Tanggap
Kung
namin
nilabas
yan.
to, magiging first place ang Oishi, oh wow. Yes.
오이치 왜 뺏었어요?
The king.
Tinry ko, pero sobrang masarap siya. Okay.
출시해주세요.
Please release us one of your products, please.